Most caravans make you choose comfort or capability. With the Grand Peak 18.6 rear club, you don't have to. Fibreglass composite sandwich panel construction, single axle, off-grid ready and built right here in Australia. This one is my favourite layout. Come see why. Every Grand Caravan is built using fiberglass composite sandwich panel construction with a one-piece timberless floor. We've also fitted Cruisemaster ATX coil suspension for off-road use. And this van has no vents inside, it's completely gasless, meaning no dust getting inside your van. Hi, I'm Laura, Creative Director at Grand Caravans, and today I'll be showing you through the Peak 18.6 rear club. It's one of my personal favourites. You can really separate the living area from the bedroom area. It goes all the way up to a 24-foot. Starting up the front here, we've got an FP chassis built using Australian steel, a Cruisemaster DO35 coupling, a Blackjack Mini, and the Grand Ultra Toolbox. You can fit your 9 kilo gas bottles in the middle and 2 drawer sliders on either side. There's a large tonner boot at the front, and just below that, you've got your gas bayonet. We only build using fiberglass composite sandwich panel construction, no timber on the frame, and the roof and front is one continuous piece. Composite is up to 150 kilos lighter than your more traditional build. It's also fully insulated and water resistant. You'll notice the metal capping on the edges. They are stronger and easier to clean. The Cruisemaster ATX coil suspension is ready for your off-road travels, and you've got all-terrain tyres to match. Here we have an external pantry with a picnic table as well. You've also got a Starlink connection, and we've got the two-way pantry drawers. This you can access inside and outside the van. We've got one large drawer to fit a coffee machine or an air fryer, and 2 drawers for cooking utensils. It's perfect for inside and outside cooking. At the rear of the caravan, we have a dual reversing camera and a work light. We've also got a rear ladder, so you can get up on the roof of your caravan to clean your solar panels. Speaking of solar, this van has 600 watts of solar on the roof and 630 amp hours of lithium. We use Victron for our electrical system. We've got a 30A Victron solar controller charger, a Victron DC to DC charger, and a Victron Multiplus 3000 VA inverter. Underneath, we have 220 litres of freshwater tanks and 110 grey water tank, plenty for extended time off-grid. Before we head on inside, here's a quick recap of the Peak 18.6 rear club. Fiberglass composite sandwich panel construction, Cruisemaster ATX coil suspension, 630 amp hours of lithium, 600 watts of solar, the Grand Ultra Toolbox. This van is built to handle wherever the road takes you. Now for the part I love most, the inside. Look at all of this space. The rear club gives you a premium lounge area. Once you walk in a Grand Caravan, you notice it. The quality, the finishes, the thought behind every decision. We build these entirely in our own factory, which means we have complete control over our process. Nothing gets left behind. Something you'll notice when you're inside a Grand Caravan is the temperature control. That is the fiberglass composite sandwich panels doing their job. Unlike other caravans, it's fully insulated. It's also built with a one-piece timberless floor. No gas inside this van. We've fitted a diesel hot water system, which is also a diesel heater. Yes, that's right, it's a 2-in-1 system, and that means you don't have to have any vents inside the van, so the dust stays out. For cooking, we've got 2 induction hot plates, and there's plenty of bench space in this van. You've got one on this side and one on the other side. We've also got a plateless microwave and the largest fridge on the market, a Thetford 274 litre, and we've fitted a Milenko dust reduction system just to be safe. Also fitted with soft close drawers throughout. One of my favourite design decisions was deleting the ceiling downlights. It's not necessary in such a small space, and we've fitted strip lighting throughout. They're underneath the overheads and on the kickers. You've got isolated areas, plus they're dimmable. We always choose the largest windows for the space, so you can let the natural light in. It's also got a flat blind and a fly screen. I'm an interior designer and I chose all of the colours for this van. We've also curated 4 colourways to choose from, but if you'd like a customised approach, you can choose to have a one-on-one appointment with myself, and you can go through and choose a van that's just for you. It's my favourite part of the build. The bathroom, we've chosen an OGO Composting Toilet for longer stays off grid, and the storage in here is impressive. Behind this mirror, we have a washing machine tucked away and out of sight, and a fiberglass shower. In the bedroom, we have an RV queen with rounded edges. We have robes, a drawer, and overhead storage here. Now this is a new feature that we have on all of our vans. Look at this open shelf. Doesn't it just look like a home? To wrap up the interior, we have the diesel hot water system with a heater, the 2-way pantry drawer, OGO composting toilet, and of course the ambient lighting. Now that's the full walkthrough of the Peak 18.6 rear club, and you can see why this is one of my favourite layouts. If you'd like to come and check it out yourself, come and visit us at 15 POA Court, Craigieburn, Victoria. We'd love for you to visit.